Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return for your Jio Finance income. It's important to understand your tax responsibilities and gather all required documents before you begin. We'll cover the essential forms and information you need to ensure a smooth and accurate filing process. Getting organized early makes a big difference. To file correctly, you'll need to collect all your investment proofs and interest certificates. Make sure your PAN and Aadhaar details are current and linked, as this is crucial for e-filing. Also, take time to verify all the deductions and exemptions you are eligible for to minimize your tax liability. Accuracy here is key. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once your documents are ready, select the appropriate income tax return form based on your income sources. Carefully enter all your income and deduction details into the form, double-checking for any errors. After submission, remember to verify your return promptly through Aadhaar OTP or net banking to complete the process. It's simpler than you think.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.